Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So we have lately been printing money with our live sessions. Now I'm going to show my strategy here at YouTube once again, so you can copy what I'm doing and take advantage of the easy way of trading. Okay, but before I do that, make sure you open a super account with Pocket Option. Even if you have account from before, close it down, withdraw your money, and open a new one, because I'm basically giving you 60% of my affiliate income. This you will make back in form of cashback. So why not take advantage so you have a little extra money every trade you do. Okay, so you find a link for that below the video, or you can just use the link you see up there right now. You can use that link also to sign up and get started. So now I'll show you the most easy way to trade on the binary option, and especially for this broker. So let's get to it. So now we will see if you can find yourself a good trade. I see right away we have a beautiful trend line here now. And what you do, you just take a line just like this and mark it in the top here. And we take the top areas there. So if we come up to this line there, we will then just push the down button. Closing time, we set it at 1 minute, and each bar is 1 minute. We can, let's make that one red to the correct color, so it's easy for you to understand. Just push red color for red color. Also, we can set up a horizontal line. What we're looking for here is a specific area. I think around here will be a nice area. If you come down there, I'll push up also. There, we are in. Basically, you can see every time we come down to this region here, we have a tendency to go up. So now we just need to wait 52 minutes, and I'm expecting us to close around up here. So now you can just sit back and wait for receiving money. So this trade now, we will make $86. So just wait and see. I'm expecting us to close around up here. Let's wait and see. You will see, he will turn green now. So now we have more 30 seconds. Our entry is quite beautiful. It's down here. So now we are hovering around 0 in the trade. But let's wait and see. Now we have 12 more seconds. And let's wait and see. And we won that trade. So there we made, here you can see, we made $86. He was a little scary for a little while. He was below till the 5 last seconds. But still, you can see we made a beautiful trade. I will do now one more trade so you can see how this works. So let's get to it, and let's see if we can find that trade. It would be super cool if you could come up to the trend line on the second trade. And I just did a trade, but was not recorded for some reason. So let's now go back and take a look. I have marked this one, but the closest trade we did was on this pair here, this one over here. So looks like it was not recorded, so that means we'll take one more trade. So let's go for that. I think down here will be a nice trade. Let's see, I take it there. So now basically we are taking a buy trade here. It's a strong area here. We see that when you come down here, you have a tendency to break up. Also, make sure you take advantage, like I said in the start of the video, so you get 60% cashback on every single trade you do using my link below the video. So if you have accounts from before, make sure you just close it down and open a new account. Okay. Also, when you deposit, make sure you deposit more than $100 if you want 50% extra on your trading. Because yes, you get 50% extra if you deposit more than $100, so make sure you do that. So now let's wait and see if we can win this trade. So everything is below the video. And yes, make sure you check out my WhatsApp, because there I share all my trades, and I also post the links every time I do a live session. Because I do live session every single day where I'm trading binary option, and we are basically printing money. So now we got one more winning trade. That means our profit for today, with the trade that did not come on camera, we made $270. So I will say that is a pretty darn good day. So you can see we have a little time loop here. It's because I had a problem because was not I did not put, for some reason this was not stored on the computer, so I need to figure out what was the reason, but we did figure it out, and now we got it up and running. So then I see you hopefully on the live stream tomorrow, so you can print someone together there. And also make sure you sign up now with this broker here, because tomorrow I will trade live on 2 brokers. So I will trade a little on both of them. So make sure you tune in tomorrow. Have an amazing day.